Hey friends, if you wish to cut, copy, paste, rename and delete and share files and folders on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So we have a folder here. Now the new context menu has changed and a lot of people are confused on how to do this. Simply right click on it and you'll get the option to cut, copy, rename and delete. And if it's a folder, then you will also get the option to share it. Okay, so you can share it either using nearby share, or you can send an email, or you can share using mail app, or you can share using Outlook or Teams or phone link. I mean, you can also use your phone for sharing, or WhatsApp. So if you're sharing through WhatsApp and the file is huge, then it will be saved as a file in Google Drive and in OneDrive, and then it will be sent as a link. So this is the case, and if you want it from the older context menu, just right click on it and select show more options, and you get all options as in the older context menu: cut, copy, delete, rename, paste. Now why don't we get paste here? Okay, so let us say that I copied it and I went to a different folder and I right clicked here. Now the paste option will be available because there was nothing cut or copied on the clipboard earlier. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.